Is your lack of lead management costing you deals? Is your lack of lead management costing you tens of thousands of dollars? If that's the case, you definitely want to stick around for this video because I'm going to break down how you can effectively manage your leads and make a lot of money doing it. Hey guys, it's Carlos Reyes from allinnation.com. In today's video, I want to break down several things when it comes to lead management. One, I don't care if you're a solopreneur, or two, if you have a full-blown operation that you've delegated a lot of your leads to. The strategy does not change. You have to effectively manage your leads in order to be as efficient and as effective as possible when it comes to acquiring deals. If you're a solopreneur or you have a full-blown company and you're either spending almost nothing on marketing or you're spending a lot of money on marketing, right? Some of the marketing channels that are out there for you are what? Pay-per-click, AKA Google AdWords, direct mail, cold calling, SMS Text Blasting, ringless voicemail, the list goes on and on. That's just one step of the process. Don't get me wrong, marketing is a very important step of the process, but how are you handling the leads that are coming in from those marketing channels? You're already spending the money. We might as well make sure that we're efficiently and effectively managing the incoming leads. Isn't that correct? Some of the things that we do in our company is we want to make sure that our acquisition managers are running as efficient as possible. So what do? We make sure that they don't handle the busy work, the VA work. Our acquisition managers concentrate on money-making activities. They put their focus on the top 3 marketing channels for us, AKA the hottest leads possible that are gonna be coming in. We want them talking to customers. We want them talking to opportunities all day long. And this is why we have this specific lead flow for them. Anytime that we disperse a pay-per-click campaign, a direct mail campaign, a social media campaign, a billboard campaign, guess what? That lead specifically goes to our CRM. And I don't know what CRM you're using. We use a CRM called Prospect X. You can actually go and put yourself on the waiting list for prospectx.com. A second CRM that I vouch for is the Hercules Podio model provided by investorautomation.com. You gotta have a CRM to handle any kind of lead. Isn't that correct? You don't want these leads falling through the crack. I don't want you to be one of those old school investors that's literally on pen and paper. That used to be me back in 2014, by the way. So our acquisition managers are handling the important leads that are coming in all day long through our CRM. Now, the busy work, AKA like the text blasting leads, the ringless voicemail leads, the cold calling leads that need to be filtered out, virtual assistants actually handle all of that. Until they actually qualify any of those leads, they will not put those leads through the system into our CRM via a web form for our acquisitions to actually pay some attention to them. So did you guys understand that? Any busy work doesn't go directly to our acquisition managers. That's filtered and organized by our virtual assistant. I'll give you an example. Let's just say that you blast out 5,000 text messages. Well, you're probably gonna get a response of, let's just say 10%. So 500 people are gonna respond, right? Do you really want your acquisition manager going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth? No, you want a virtual assistant going back and forth. You're paying them anywhere from $3 to $5 an hour. You want your acquisition managers to be talking to real opportunities all day long. Same thing with ringless voicemail. You blast out 3,000 ringless voicemail. You don't want your acquisition manager to be going through every single voicemail. There's gonna be all kinds of junk in there. You want the virtual assistant to listen through those voicemail, qualify the right leads, and put them in your CRM system for your acquisition manager to actually take some shots at getting those deals. Listen, in this business, it's all about systems and processes. If you don't have a lead flow system like the one I'm showing you today, you're gonna miss out on a lot of opportunities. And more importantly, somebody like myself, somebody like our company, and there's plenty of other companies out there that have good systems in place that are gonna capitalize on your missed opportunities. So once again, if you're a solopreneur, I still encourage you to get organized. You wanna get as organized as possible. And if you can hire a virtual assistant to do your grunt work, to do your trench work, please do so. It's worth the money. I want you to focus on things that are gonna actually have a huge return on investment. And if you're a CEO or a business owner that has a full-blown crew, make sure that you put the right systems in place so that you can effectively and efficiently start winning every single day. All right, guys, listen, if you found this video informative, educational in any way, do me a huge favor. Share it with somebody who needs to see this. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We also love to hear your feedback down below in the comment section. Absolutely love you. Thank you so much for continuing to hang in there with us. We are trying to grow this channel. Thanks to you, it's happening. So we are very appreciative of that. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon.